where ancient tales took their beginnings and new stories keep being written. This is a city that lets you get a sense of 2,000 years of history with a stunning medieval ambience. A city with world-renowned traditions, loving to dance and celebrate throughout the entire year. A vibrant cultural hub with an appetite for modern flavors. A city that has a special place in its heart for music, bringing creativity to its peak. A city that truly lives for adventures, where nature's beauty is just around the corner. A hiker's paradise, worth going the extra mile. An oasis of tranquility, where relaxation breaks new grounds, making your journey an unforgettable experience. A city with multiple hidden treasures that wait to be discovered. Are you ready to enjoy the city of Echternach?